I am coming to that. Purushottam Das Tandon, many of these people may not remember his name also. We congressmen, he said, quote, we congressmen deem it very improper to convert from one religion to another or to take in such activities, and we are not in favor of this. Sri M. Anant Sena Iyengar, it is unfortunate religion is being utilized not for the purpose of saving one's own soul, but for disintegrating the society. The British government and during the British government and cabinet mission, number of conversions have taken place. This is dangerous. What has the religion to do with the secular state? This is what Anant Sena Iyengar said in the Constituent Assembly. Coming to Sardar Patelji, my favorite leader and favorite leader of the many in this country, the Iron Man of India, who is the unifier of India. Sir, this is not a matter free of difficulties. It is well known in this country that there are mass conversions by force, conversions by coercion and undue influence, and we cannot disguise the fact that children also have been converted. This is what Sardar Patelji said at that time. R.V. Dhurekar, another senior person, he said, in the present environment, all sorts of efforts are being made to increase the population of a particular section in this country. I think that this clause prohibiting conversion should be retained. I submit that we cannot now tolerate things of this nature. Underline, we are being attacked and we do not want India's population, the numerical strength of the Hindus and others, should gradually diminish. And after 10 years, the other people may again say, we constitute a separate nation. These separatist tendencies should be crushed. This is what Dhurekar said at the time. Madam, coming back again to the main issue, I really, when the Honorable yourself have told me that this is a notice, I had no hesitation in accepting it. Because this is a matter that should be discussed and debated. We have legislation from Orissa. I think R.N. Singhdeoji's period. Shatrapati ji can correct me. Earlier it was moved, then during R.N. Singhdeoji's period it was approved. Then after Niyogi committee made some recommendations. Then Madhya Pradesh law was brought in during the Congress regime. Himachal Pradesh, a law was brought in Congress regime. Arunachal Pradesh, a law was brought in. Not because of Narendra Modi, not because of BJP or not because of RSS. Because they have realized that fraudulent conversions are taking place and conversions are creating social tensions. सांप्रदायिक तनाव हो रहे हैं. आपका भगवान को आप पूजा करें, मैं मेरा भगवान को पूजा करूं, इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. इस देश में सब हिंदू जिसको कहते हैं ना मैडम, ये सब हिंदू एक मजहब का नहीं है. आर्य समाजिस्ट है, वैदिक है, शैव है, जैन है, साईं बाबा बक्तास है, और साथ ही साथ कुछ लोग आइडल वर्शिपर है, कुछ लोग आइडल बिना अपना वर्शिप करते हैं. इस देश में सिख धर्म का फॉलो करने वाले लोग हैं. इस्लाम, आप मुस्लिम है तो मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आप क्रिश्चियन है तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम है? क्या है? हम सब लोग एक है. अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश. विविधता में एकता, भारत का विशेषता, यही इस देश का भावना है. मित्रों, I am coming to another point. Some people have the problem of having some allergy to the word Hindu. I would like to take the House into confidence. This word Hindu is not given by Narendra Modi, not given by Venkaiah Naidu or Atal Bihari Vajpayee or Advani, or not even by RSS. RSS name is not Hindu. It is Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. There is a newspaper in this country which is known for its views. Name is Hindu. There is a newspaper in Delhi which is called as Hindustan Times. The name is not given by me. Hindustan Hindi Akhbar hai. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL company hai. Hindustan Machine Tools HMT watch company hai. Hindustan Shipyard Limited, विशाखापट्टनम में हिंदुस्तान शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड है. ये नाम सब कहां से आया? ये नाम हमने नहीं दिया, राजनीतिक कारण से नहीं दिया, ये शुरू से आते रहा. ये हिंदुस्तान है, वो पाकिस्तान है, ऐसा उन लोगों ने कहा है. भारत में रहने वाले, मैडम आपको भी याद होगा अगस्त 15 को, नहीं तो 26 जनवरी को जब तिरंगा झंडा फहराते हम लोग क्या कहते? जय हिंद. इसका अर्थ यह है क्या हिंदुओं को जय, बाकी लोगों को नहीं? ऐसा है क्या? नहीं. हिंदुस्तान को जय हो, हिंदुस्तान को जय हो. What is Hindustan? Hindustan means all people, irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion and region. India is one. We are all one people, one country. That is the issue. So we are a party who believe in such philosophy. We believe in such philosophy. Then how can we be accused of? And then people who are responsible for the partition of the country, who are responsible? Whose party is responsible? And that party joins the Congress government and teaches and preaches lesson to my government. And then this Hyderabad, my friend, he was giving me lecture. What his brother has said, I can't quote because he's a member of the Legislative Assembly. What he has said about Hindu gods I don't want to repeat it because we should not use this forum to rouse passions outside and create tension which is not there. What is required is not tension, ma'am, attention towards the development. That is the agenda of this government. So keeping that in mind, what I appeal to all parties in the country is seriously introspect on this. Let there be anti-conversion laws in all the states. Let there be anti-conversion law at the center also. Let us all seriously work towards the progress. We preserve our culture. You feel proud. If you feel proud that you want to be a Hindu, no problem. Or a Muslim, no problem. Or a Christian, no problem. We are मजहब अलग है, मगर अब सबका संस्कृति, सबका जीवन पद्धति एक ही है. पूजा पद्धति अलग है. मजहब पूजा पद्धति होता है, संस्कृति जीवन पद्धति होता है. आदिकाल से, वेद काल से, पुण्य काल से, पुराण काल से जो पूर्वजों ने जिया और दिया, हमको विरासत में मिला, वही भारतीयता है. और कुछ लोग उसको हिंदुत्व कहते हैं. आप नहीं चाहे तो उसको भारतीयता कहो, नहीं तो इंग्लिश ज्यादा आपका व्यामोह है तो इंडियननेस कहो, हमको कोई आपत्ति नहीं. मगर बाकी लोगों को उनको मजाक उड़ाना, सैफ्रनाइजेशन हो रहा है. कहां सैफ्रन? क्या सैफ्रन कोई गलत शब्द है क्या इस देश में? सैफ्रनाइजेशन हो रहा है, ये हो संस्कृताइजेशन हो रहा है, और ये हो रहे, ये एजेंडा ला रहे, वो एजेंडा ला रहे. वी आर वेरी क्लियर ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव प्रॉमिस्ड टू द पीपल. वी विल बी वर्किंग हार्ड ओनली टू फुलफिल दैट एजेंडा. एंड आवर लीडर पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय सेड, अंत्योदया, अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ द पूरेस्ट ऑफ द पूर, दरिद्र नारायण का सेवा. स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा और पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय ने कहा और नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी भी वही कह रहे. इसलिए मित्रों, बाकी लोगों के मन में कोई गलतफहमी नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं हमारा जो विपक्ष है, इन लोगों का मेरा आपत्ति इतना ही है, सिंपल. अदरवाइज आज मैडम रूल्स आपको भी मालूम है, मंत्री नहीं है तो डिबेट का स्वीकार करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं था. मिनिस्टर हैज टू बी देयर, बट स्टिल आई हैव अग्रीड टू अकोमोडेट देम बिकॉज दे आर थिंकिंग समथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन. Any number of times they may raise such issues. There won't be any increase in tension outside. There will be only focus on development. That much I can assure them. And if there are specific complaints, Uttar Pradesh something is happening, the DM, the SP, the state government, they have to take the action. If something is happening in other state, that state government has to take action. If you want an advisory from the central government, center is ready to help the states in maintaining law and order, in maintaining communal harmony. But any number of times, within 6 months of coming to our government, you want to thaw us. No, it is not acceptable. You want to thaw us, हम इसको स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे. And you want to use this forum of parliament to defame my government, to defame my prime minister, and you give slogans against my prime minister. That is not acceptable. People's mandate is for Narendra Modi for this period. BJP. So, madam, I am sorry. I have to speak this because, as I told you, each person in their own way brought different things into picture. And then my minister, one of the very good minister, able minister, Smriti Irani. She has been performing her responsibilities in a nice manner, effective manner. People who heard her here in the house, they are all very much impressed by her, this thing. And you try to brand her as if she's going to astrologer. What is wrong in that? I don't understand. You don't go. You don't go. Who asked you to go to astrologer? This government has not issued circular to all. Everybody should go to astrologer. I will not go. I will not go. First, I am telling you. I will not go. But point is, why do you insult? Why do you insult others' belief? And as long as the belief do not come in the way of a public order, as long as the belief do not come in the way of the progress of the country, you should allow that much freedom to the people. You are saying that ये तानाशाही नहीं चलेगा. मैडम लास्ट टाइम भी कहा, मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूं. आपका संख्या कितना है? इतना लोग, इतना पार्टियां हाउस में बैठे. I think 4/5 of the parliament is sitting here, and then you 1/5 people you accuse us, and you want to speak, you want to disturb, you don't want anybody else to say anything, only your thing should go on record, and you go on using the same gramophone record every time. It's not acceptable. There is a saying, ma'am, I don't know whether आपको ऐसा कुछ अनुभव आया नहीं आया. बचपन में हम लोग रिकॉर्ड सुनते थे, ग्रामफोन रिकॉर्ड. स्ट्रक